Hi, and welcome to another Watch Geek video. This is probably going to be one of the shortest videos I ever made, because the only thing we're going to do is do a slight mod on this watch by replacing the case back. Now, to me, personally, this is the best and the only mod you should do to vintage Grand Seikos and King Seikos. The reason for that is that these watches come with this gold medallion. And these gold medallions, since they're made of gold, are pretty soft, meaning that if you wear the watch regularly, you're going to wear them out. First, they're going to appear polished and shiny, and eventually they're going to thin out until you reveal the base metal underneath that's going to corrode in an ugly green color. Since I received my watch and the gold medallion was in pretty much perfect shape, because as you can see, it even still has the factory frosted finish of the background, I was very reluctant to wear this watch. And ever since I received it, I've been on the hunt to get a clear case back for this watch. Now, the clear case back, why I want a clear case back, that's the second reason, because these movements really look nice, and it's a shame they're hidden behind these covers. So if you get a clear case back, you manage to preserve your gold medallion, and you get the bonus of looking at these beautiful movements. Now for this model, the clear casebacks that can fit this watch, the 45 King Seiko and 45 Grand Seiko, are very rare, and they come up once every 2 to 3 months in Japan. And the prices are never under $100. They usually range between $120 and $150, which is a lot, I know. But I decided to get one anyways because I want to wear this watch, and with this case back, I simply do not wear it enough. And I had some loyalty points, so I didn't really pay it $140, my own money, in a way. Anyways, let's move on to the mod by removing this and putting the replacement one. And here it is. It arrived from Japan yesterday, so now we're going to attempt to install it. And here it is, the finished product. Now look at that. Isn't this movement beautiful? And wasn't that really worth it? Just look at the way it looks. Wow. And now you can even watch the whole system go as you're winding the movement. And you can look at that balance wheel beating at 36,000 bph. Wow. This was really worth it. And it's nice and thin. It really looks awesome. I'll probably put some better shots of this caseback and movement. And I am planning on finding someone who would be willing to produce them for me. So if you're interested in these, if you have a King Seiko 45 or Grand Seiko 45, and if there's enough people interested down in the comment section, please let me know. And maybe we'll try to make these more affordable and more common so that they're not that rare and hard to find. Anyways, I really do hope you enjoyed this video as much as I did. Now I know I'm going to be enjoying my King Seiko a lot more. So thank you for watching, and until the next video, bye.